How to make money with ClickBank. Want to earn money online through affiliate marketing? Here's how to make money with ClickBank. First, create a free ClickBank account and go to the marketplace. You'll find thousands of digital products you can promote in almost any niche. Next, pick products with good gravity scores and strong commissions. Focus on offers in popular niches like health, wealth, relationships, or online business. Once you choose a product, ClickBank gives you a unique affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Now you need traffic. You can promote your links using YouTube videos, TikTok content, blogs, or paid ads. Tutorials, reviews, and how-to content work best. The key is to provide value first. Don't just spam links. Show people why the product is helpful and how it solves a problem. Over time, you can scale by testing different offers and doubling down on what converts best. Start simple, stay consistent, and ClickBank can become a strong source of online income.